Chapter 4 Determinants of class 12. Okay. Now exercise 4.1. Solutions of exercise 4.1. Now the question number 1. Evaluate the determinants in exercise 1 and 2. 2 minus 5, 4 minus 1. Okay. The determinant represents a function in the form of an array that consists element in rows and column. Now the determinants of second order: A11, A21, A12 and A22. We can represent this determinant in the form of del or the this. So now the answer of this del A or the this equal to this. So we can write the answer of this is A11 cross multiply A11 into A22 minus A12 into A21, the value of the second order of determinant. According to this, the answer of first question, the value of this determinant equal to, now cross multiply 2 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 5. This will be the value of determinant of second order. Minus 2 plus 20, the value of this equal to 18. And the second question, first cos theta, sin theta and the minus sin theta cos theta. Find the value of this determinant. Same process, value of this determinant equal to cos theta into cos theta, cross multiply. First multiply this minus this, minus sin theta into sin theta. The cos square theta plus sin square theta, the value of this determinant equal to the 1. Second is x square minus x plus 1, x minus 1. And x plus 1, x plus 1. The value of the determinant equal to x square minus x plus 1 multiplied to x plus 1 minus x minus 1 multiplied to x plus 1. Cross multiply like this. Now multiply. X multiply in all three terms, x cube minus x square plus x. And 1 multiply x square minus x plus 1. X minus 1, x plus 1, x square minus 1. It means x square plus 1. Now x cancel, x square cancel. The remaining terms are x cube minus x square plus 1. Okay. Now question number 3. The question number 3 is, if A equal to 1, 2, 4, 2, then show that determinant 2A equal to 4 times determinant A. This is the matrix 1, 2, 4, 2. Now 2. 2A means 2 multiplied in the each term. Okay. 2, 4, 8, 4. Now the value of this determinant is 2 into 4 minus 8 into 4. 8 minus 32. It is minus 24. And the RHS 4 times determinant of A, the value 1422. The 4 times 1 into 2 minus 4 into 2. Cross multiply. 1 into 2, 1. It means 4 into 2 minus 8. 2 minus 8 is minus 6. Equal to minus 24. Hence LHS equal to RHS. किसी भी डिटर्मिनेंट में अंदर में किसी भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं और बाद में बाहर भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. वैल्यू रिमेन्स द सेम. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. इफ A equal to 101, 012, 004, then show that determinant value of 3A equal to 27 times determinant A. first multiplied by 3 in all the matrix. 3a equal to 3 0 3 0 3 6 0 0 3 into 4 12. Now find the value of this determinant. The 3, this is a a11 multiplied to 311 minus 6. 3 into 12 minus 0 into 6. And the second 0 minus 0 multiplied to 0 into 12 minus 0 into 6. And the third 3 multiplied to 0 into 0, 3 into 0. The answer is 3 into 36. This will equal to 0, 0, 108. Now the determinant A. A equal to first 1 multiplied to first number multiplied to 4 into 1 minus 0 into 2. Minus 0 multiplied to this 0, 0 into 4 minus 0 into 2. And third 1 plus 1 multiplied to 0 into 0 minus 0 into 1. 4, 1, only 4. And the RHS is 27 times determinant A. It means 27 into 4, 108. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Okay, LHS is 108 and RHS is also 108. Next question. Evaluate the determinants 1, 2, 3 and 4. Find the value of this determinant. This is a determinant of order 3. Now solve this value. The first 3 multiplied to the determinant of this order 2. 0 minus 5 minus 1 0. And second minus and minus 1 multiplied to 0 minus 1 3 0. 0 minus 1 3 0. And the third minus 2 multiplied to 0 0 3 minus 5. Okay, now solve 3. 0 into 0 minus 5 into minus 1. And the second plus 1 0 minus 1 into 3. And third minus 2 multiplied to 0. 0 into 0, 0. It is equal to minus 15. It is equal to minus plus 3. The answer is minus 12. This is equal to 0. The answer is minus 12. And the same second one. 3 minus 4 5. 1 1 minus 2 2 3 1. The first number A11 multiplied to 1 minus 2 3 1. Second order of determinant minus 4. The second is minus 4 multiplied to 1 minus 2 2 1. And the third 5 multiplied to 1 1 2 3. 1 1 2 3. Now 3 multiplied to cross multiply 1 into 1 minus 3 into minus 2. Plus 4 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2. And 5 1 into 3 minus 1 into 2. There is 1 3 into 1 plus 6 7 4 into 1 minus plus 4 and 5, 3 minus 2, 1. 7 into 3, 21, 5 into 4, 20 plus 5. This will equal to the 46. Now the third one, first is 0 multiplied to 0 minus 3, 3, 0. Second number is 1. It means minus 1 multiplied to minus 1 minus 3 minus 2, 0. And the third number plus 2 multiplied to minus 1, 0 minus 2, 3. So this will equal to the 0 clearly. And 9 minus 1 multiplied to minus 1 into 0, 0 minus 2 into minus 3. And plus 2 multiplied to minus 1 into 3 minus 0 into minus 2. Therefore 6 minus plus 6, 2 into minus 3 minus 6 equal to 0. The value of this determinant equal to 0. Fifth, the process is the same. 2 means first number multiplied to this determinant. 2 minus 1 minus 5, 0. Again minus 1 multiplied to 0 minus 1, 3, 0. And the third number minus 2 multiplied to this determinant. 0, 2, 3, minus 5. Two into 0 minus 5 into minus 1. Plus 1 multiplied to 0 minus 3 into minus 1. And minus 2 multiplied to 0 into minus 5, just cross multiplying, minus 3 into 2. The value 5 minus 5 no, 10 plus 3 and minus 6 plus 12. 12 plus 3, 15 minus 10 equal to 5. The value of this determinant equal to 5. Question number 6. A is given matrix, find the determinant A. The given determinant of third order. So now first number 1, the determinant 1 minus 3, 4 minus 9. And the second number is minus 1 and the determinant is 2 minus 3, 5 minus 9. And the third number minus 2 multiplied to the determinant 2, 1, 5, 4. 2, 1, 5, 4. Okay. Now the answer 1 into minus 9, minus 9, minus 12 plus 12. 1 into minus 9, minus 12, minus already minus, plus 12. Same 2 into minus 9, minus 18 and plus 15. Same minus 2, 4 to the 8 minus 5. 3 minus 3 minus plus 3 and 8 minus 5, 3, 2 minus 6. 6 minus 6 equal to 0. The value of this determinant is 0. Now question number 7. 7 has two parts. Question number 1. Find the value of x. 2, 4, 5, 1 equal to this matrix. These are the two matrices are equal by equating the determinant. In the first, the value of this determinant is 2 into 1 minus 4 into 5. And in this 2x into x minus 6 into 4. 2 minus 20 equal to 2x square minus 24. 2x square equal to minus 18 plus 24. It is 6. X square equal to 3. Therefore, x equal to plus minus root 3. In the second one, the value of this determinant 2 into 5 minus 4 into 3. And x into 5 minus 2x into 3. Cross multiply. 10 minus 12. 5x minus 6x. It means minus x equal to minus 2, x equal to 2. And the last question number 8. If x to 18x, this determinant equal to this, then x is equal to, okay, x into x minus 18 into 2 equal to 6 into 6 minus 18 into 2. It means 18 into x square minus 36, 36 minus 36. X square minus 36 equal to 0. Then x square equal to 36. X equal to root 36 means plus minus 6. It means the option B is right. Okay.